Now you see, so a firm B, they can take the price that when the price is 2, so they may supply 8 commodity. As your price increases, supply will increase. Maybe 10 unit they are supplying. So when price further increases, maybe 12 units of commodity they are supplying. So you see here also law of supply is applicable. As price increases, you see supply increases. So when price was 6, you see firm A supplied 6, firm B supplied 8, quite less. So when price increased to 4, before there were 6 units, now they are supplying more, price increases. So you see when further price increases to 6, you see they are supplying 10. So here also you can see as price increases, supply also increases. So here same thing in demand, law of demand is applicable. Here law of supply is applicable. Okay, now market supply you are going to see. So in market supply, what we are going to do in demand we have added the individual demand. So here your individual supply you have to add it here. So 6 plus 8. So here you can show 6 plus 8. Okay, so you see, so 8 plus 6 plus 8 is 14. You can directly add and write it down. Okay, for your convenience I have written here 6 plus 8, that is equal to 14. Now 8 plus 10 is your 18. Okay, 10 plus 12, it is 22. Okay, it is 22. So you see when the price is low, you see supply is low. When price increases, you see the supply, the total market supply will also increase. Okay, now you see this was about your schedule. Now by looking at this schedule, we can prepare market demand curve. Okay, so you see once more I am explaining you. So you see in the schedule, price, individual supply, that is firm A, firm B. In demand you are taking consumer A, that's Mr. A, Mr. B. So here you have to take firm A and firm B. Okay, and you see here market supply. So here you are going to take a 3 price. Okay, now you have to follow the law of supply. When price increases, supply increases, price decreases, supply decreases, other factor remaining constant. So when price is low, supply is low. So when price increases, supply also increases. So here also you see when price is 2, supply is 8. When price is 4, supply is 10. When price is 6, supply is 12. And what you're going to do in market supply, you're going to add the individual firm supply. So 6 plus 8 is 14. 8 plus 10 is your 18. 10 plus 12 is 22. Okay, so you got it, this one. Now by looking this schedule, you have to prepare the graph. Okay, now you see as the space is less, I'm making it here. Now you see here, this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis. So here in x-axis price in rupees, 0 quantity, okay. Now you see here 3 prices there, so you are going to take a 3 equal price. Okay, you are going to take 3 price. Same way the price should be in ascending order. Okay, so you see 2, 4, 6. So 2, 4, 6. Okay, quantity. Now in quantity you are not going to take this firm A, firm B, because it is a market supply. So already you have added. So you are going to take market supply quantity. Okay, so it is 14, 18, 22. Keep an equal distance. 14, 18, 22. Okay, so you have taken. Now you have to draw the curve. So you see when the price was 2, your quantity supplied in the market is 14 unit. So you see when the price is 2, your quantity supplied in the market, okay, is your 14. When the price increased to 4, your total quantity supply in the market is 18. So when price is 4, you see the quantity supply, okay, it is your 18. Okay, when the price increases further to 6, your total quantity supplied increases to 22. So when the price is 6, you see the quantity supply it has increased to 6. That is your price is 6, quantity supply is 22. Okay, now you have already made. So you see when price is 2, quantity supply is 14. When price is 4, the quantity supply increased to 18. When the price is 6, the quantity supply increased to 22. Now it's a upward movement, so you will join all the line as a supply curve. You will write SS and you will write market supply curve. Okay, so see here your market supply curve is ready. Okay, so you see, so this is the schedule of your market supply schedule, and by looking at the schedule you are preparing market supply curve. So market supply curve is ready. Okay, now see, so there is nothing, you have to just know that you have to prepare schedule. Okay, you have to prepare a schedule, and by looking at the schedule you have to prepare this market supply curve. So you see in once more you see market supply curve, what you are writing. First you will write price, individual supply, you will take form A, form B. Okay, then in the last column you will write market supply. You are going to take a 3 price and you are going to fill this quantity supply, okay, according to your law of supply that I see it already to you all. When price increases, supply also will increase. When price decreases, supply also will decrease, and the other factor will remain fixed or constant. So you see here, as price is low, supply is low. As price increases, supply increases. Okay, in both form A as well as in form B. Now market supply, that means you are going to just add the form A, form B. You are not going to add the price, never do. Okay, so 6 plus 8 is 14, 8 plus 10 is 18, 10 plus 12 is 22. Okay, now when you will prepare this graph, your y-axis and x-axis, so in y-axis you will write price in rupees, in x-axis you will write the quantity. Okay, 3 price, so you take 3 equal distance, so the price should be mentioned in ascending order. 0, okay, 2, 4, 6, so 2, 4, 6 is there. Now in quantity you are not going to take as an individual, you are going to take the market supply, so you are going to take 14, 18, 22, so you keep an equal distance of quantity. This quantity also you have to mention in your ascending order, so 14, 18, 22. Okay, now when price is 2, you see quantity supply in the market is 14. When price is 4, the quantity supply increased to 18. When price is 6, the quantity supply increased to 22. Okay, draw it. Okay, and draw the curves joining both axes and y axis. Okay, and is a supply curve, so you write SS. At the top you can write market supply curve. It is completely ready. Okay, it is completely ready. Okay, so you see in this way you can prepare. So today we have done, okay, individual supply schedule, individual supply curve, market, your supply schedule, and market supply curve. So this two, after watching the videos, those who are watching, I hope everyone will watch it and you will try to prepare this schedule and curve in your copy. Okay, and you see children, there is a 2 video for today. Okay, due to some problem, so half and half both the videos has been sent to you, so you must watch both the videos. Okay, thank you for today.